Hi guys, I'm making a Prodigy video.
You never heard Prodigy before because Prodigy is a math game.
Shut up.
What?
Well, I don't know why I'm doing this. Just felt like doing it, and also, you guys never tell me what to play. Trying to find where Fook is.
I am in the castle. Go to the castle and I'm in. You
Stop. Oh yeah, I also bought a bird, guys. So if you hear screeches in the background, it's because of my bird.
We got a new bird. You didn't hear that? We got a bird, but my
Where's the shark? Give me the shark. Where's the shark?
Oh, okay, let me show you. I don't know. I don't actually know. What is it? Oh, go up. I think I would try to see it. It's in the beginning. It's in the beginning. Probably.
Oh, is it this one? Is it this one?
Yeah.
Flexible. Okay. Me in the middle, aka the academy. I've been grinding this game a lot, and yeah.
You're so much leveled up from me.
Yeah. So can you go to another room?
I can only go to the flower.
Can you go somewhere else?
Why?
Go to another room.
Okay.
And stop screeching, Kiwi.
We're going to a different place.
No, you go somewhere else. You go somewhere else.
Okay.
Me and you get a fight. Also, not to say or anything, but like I'm really bad at math.
But guys, I got a new thing. I got to wear.
Whoa, we're gonna fight.
I want to fight.
I mean, fight.
Let's fight.
So go to the other room.
Okay.
No sabby tabbies.
I can't find you.
I'm going to where you are.
Go to.
Sure, go. Go somewhere else.
I see you. You passed me. You actually passed me. Oh my God. I'm on.
What is this? Who? Is this you?
No. You just passed on me. You just passed.
Are you the guy with the green?
No, I'm not the guy with the green.
Is this you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is who.
I have new armor.
Okay, let's fight now.
Let's fight.
Battle. Let's go. I hope this is enough content for you guys. I'm not allowed to play Minecraft.
No, I can defeat you.
Stop. Stop.
Me?
Okay.
My God, my bird is the bird.
Kiwi, stop.
What?
Oh yeah. You say if you're watching this, say hashtag Kiwi in the chat or comments.
Okay.
Shush. 40.
7.
12. Woo! I'm not that bad at math.
I'm good at math.
Okay, go somewhere else. I will beat you.
No.
Go somewhere else.
Never.
I'll not help. I'll not let you win. Okay, hello. Kiwi.
Oh my God.
You're happy. Okay. This is not being. Stop. Kiwi. I'm really good at this math. Wah ha ha ha. Ha. And it suddenly fails. I hear him in the background, hearing that he's gonna hit me with his ultimate move. But I feel like he doesn't hear. It doesn't like you speaking. I feel like Kiwi doesn't like you saying things. Stop. Shush. Kiwi doesn't like that. And why are you taking so long? You don't know what the number. Just fail. Stop taking like a billion years. We have time here. You know that we can only record for 15 seconds, right? We can record for only 15 minutes. And it already has been for... He doesn't know me in the back. Oh, his answer is 0. He missed. Wait, yay, finally! I did a bunch of damage. His answer was 0. And then he didn't. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I don't have a webcam. So that's sad. That's good. Oh no, he's gonna pull out his secret weapon. I'm gonna pull out my supernova too. I'm gonna hit him, and then he's gonna hit me. And I'm okay, wait, I gotta close the doors so it's too weird to scream. So cool. He supernova on me. Yeah. And I got him. Ooh, I got his thing to half a health. Oh no. He's probably gonna 2 hit me now. Oh no, 3 hit me. Woo, woo, woo. I got you, Fook. I hear you. Oh, a trip trap. I'm gonna put on my bird. Get burned, sucker. No, you're not. No, you're not gonna win. If you guys can hear him in the background, just tell me if you can hear him. Waiting for him to finish. Switching him out. This actually might take about, like, I don't know, 12 minutes. He's taking so long to do his math. Yay, I burned him. Now I support. I might have underestimated that attack. 16, 3. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh no, he got me. He got me, but ha! Switch kill. Switch kill. I will respect you, Bernut. No. Keeper. I might win without doing much of the work. This move is really good. Circle Crush. Woo, woo, woo. I don't have a time-lapse camera or anything like that. Oh my god. That thing almost killed me. 11 health? Nani? Oh, I can't edit too. Wait, should I hit him with a snow? I'm gonna hit him with the supernova. I'm just gonna rub it with the salt in the wound. Oh wait, I might die though. Yep. 28 health. Oh no, that's like it's a huge wound for me. Gotta heal up, I guess. No. Well, my final chance. I'll Star Sprinkle again on you. 6. 24. Oh, no, it's 20. No, that was so close. It was like, oh, that was so close. Kamikaze! Kamikaze! Yeah, kamikaze! I won, even though I'm dead. Ooh, level up. Another Sultan. That was not
I was
close.
very close.
That was not close. I literally kamikaze you. Oh
You're
my
like so strong and like.
Go get kamikaze, bro.
Also, there's an ice map. Prodigy.com.
Yeah. Well, time is over. Bye.